Welcome to the next lecture of the Laplace transform. Each chapter Dirac delta function. What is Dirac delta function? That is delta A of t minus t naught is defined by 0 for 0 to t naught minus a, and 1 by 2a is from t naught minus a to t naught plus a, and 0 for t greater than or equal to t naught plus a. Then delta of t minus t naught, this is called as the Dirac delta function, and which is limit a tends to 0 delta a of t minus t naught. So how can we write this in terms of one function, that is delta a of t minus t naught is equal to, actually by using the rule of the unit step function, 1 by 2a minus 0 into u of t minus up to this ഇവിടെ t naught minus a വരെയാണ്, ഇവിടെ t naught minus ഇവിടെ ഈ പോയിന്റ്സിൽ t naught minus a ആയിരിക്കും, t minus t naught minus a plus 0 minus 1 by 2a into u of t minus ഇവിടെ t naught plus a ആണ്, t minus t naught plus a. So this is actually delta a of t minus t naught is equal to 1 by 2a u of t minus t naught minus a minus 1 by 2a u of t minus t naught plus a. Then Laplace transform of this delta a of t minus t naught is equal to 1 by 2a of these statement, that is 1 by 2a u of t minus t naught minus a minus 1 by 2a Laplace transform of u of t minus t naught plus a. So what was the Laplace transform of the unit step function? That is Laplace transform of u of t minus a is equal to, actually that is e raised to minus as divided by s, by using that a യുടെ സ്ഥാനത്ത് ഇവിടെ t naught minus a, so e raised to minus s into t naught minus a divided by s minus e raised to minus s into t naught plus a divided by s. Split ചെയ്യുക, e raised to minus s t naught into e raised to as വരും, ഇവിടെ e raised to minus s t naught into e raised to minus as ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ e raised to minus s t naught എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് കോമൺ ടേം ആണ്, സോ അത് ഔട്ട് സൈഡിൽ എടുക്കും. e raised to minus s t naught divided by 2a into e raised to as minus e raised to minus as divided by s. Okay, so this is the Laplace transform of the Dirac delta function. Next is convolution, method of convolution. We have to, for this method of convolution, we need two functions, that is f of t and g of t, method of convolution. Suppose f of t and g of t are non-functions, and whose Laplace transform can be calculated. Transform can be calculated. Then using the convolution definition is given by f star g of t is equal to integral from 0 to t f of u into g of t minus u into d. F star g of t is equal to integral 0 to t f of u into g of t minus u d. Then mainly have the convolution theorem, that is convolution theorem. The statement is given as if f of t and g of t are piecewise continuous, piecewise continuous and of exponential order, then Laplace transform of f star of g of t equal to Laplace transform of f of t into Laplace transform of g of t. That is given by f of s into g of s. So, inversely we can see that is L inverse of f of s into g of s is equal to f star g of t, and it is defined by integral 0 to t f of u into g of t minus u into du. Okay, this is a convolution theorem. Next, we have to do some more problems using this convolution theorem. Problem. The statement എന്താണ് പറയുന്നത്? Statement is given by L inverse of f of s into g of s കാണാനാണെങ്കിൽ that is given by f star g of t. ഈ small f ഉം small g എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് അതിന്റെ inverse transform f of s ന്റെയും g of s ന്റെയും inverse transform evaluate ചെയ്യുക. Inverse Laplace transform evaluate ചെയ്യുക. എന്നിട്ട് f star g of t substitute ചെയ്യുക. That is defined by f of u into g of t minus u du. First problem. Find Laplace transform of e raised to t star sin t. Here L of e raised to t star sin t is equal to, this is equal to actually Laplace transform of e raised to t into Laplace transform of sin t. That's equal to 1 by Laplace transform of e raised to t is given by 1 by s minus 1 into Laplace transform of sin t is 1 by s square plus 1. So this is 1 by s minus 1 into s square plus 1. We have to verify this problem by using the convolution property. This is equal to actually integral from Laplace transform of e raised to t star sin t, that's equal to integral, what is e raised to t star sin t? By definition, e raised to t star sin t is equal to, by definition, 0 to t e raised to u into sin of t minus u d. ഇത് ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ നമുക്കിത് ഇതാണ് actually the definition of this convolution. ഇതിന് Laplace transform ആണ് evaluate ചെയ്യാൻ തന്നിട്ടുള്ളത്. So this is f of s into g of s, that is 1 by s minus 1 into s square plus 1. Next is, using the method of convolution, find L inverse of 1 by s square plus 1 whole square. Using method of convolution. Using method of convolution. So let f of s is equal to g of s is equal to 1 by s square plus 1. So correspondingly, what will be f of t? F of t is equal to sin t. G of t is equal to sin t. So L inverse of f of s into g of s is equal to f star g of t, which implies integral 0 to t f of u, that is sin u into sin തന്നെയാണ് രണ്ടും സൈൻ ഫംഗ്ഷൻ ആണ് സൈൻ ഓഫ് ടി മൈനസ് യു ഇൻറ്റു ഡി. ഇത് എക്സ്പാൻഡ് ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ദാറ്റ്സ് ഈക്വൽ ടു integral 0 to t integral 0 to t sin u into sin a minus b is sin t. This is sin a sin b ഫോമാറ്റ് ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ ഇതിൽ ഏത് രീതിയിൽ sin a sin b ആണെങ്കിൽ what is sin a sin b? It's equal to 1 by 2 into cos a minus b. A minus b ആണ് cos a cos b plus sin a sin b minus cos of a plus b. ആണ് sin a sin b യുടെ എക്സ്പാൻഷൻ. സോ ഇതിൽ എയുടെ സ്ഥാനത്ത് യു ബിയുടെ സ്ഥാനത്ത് ടി മൈനസ് യു എന്ത് വരും? 1 by 2 into cos of u minus t minus u minus cos of u plus t minus u into d. This is equal to 1 by 2 into u minus minus ആണ് plus ആയി. അപ്പോൾ 2u cos of 2u minus t വന്നു minus cos of t into d. That's equal to ഇതിനെ ഇൻറ്റഗ്രേറ്റ് ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 ടോട്ടലാണ് കോസിൻ്റെ ഇൻറ്റഗ്രൽ sin 2u minus t divided by 2 minus കോസിൻ്റെ ഇൻറ്റഗ്രൽ cos t ഇവിടെ കോൺസ്റ്റൻ്റ് ആണ്, അവിടെ cos t into u വരെ മാത്രമേ ഉള്ളൂ. So this is from 0 to t, which implies 1 by 2 into t അവിടെ substitute ചെയ്ത 2t minus t ആണ് t ആയി sin t by 2 minus t cos t. Next 0 substitute ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ minus 0 substitute ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ sin minus t by 2 minus 0, which implies 1 by 2 into ഇവിടെ മൈനസ് മൈനസ് വരും, സൈൻ ഓഫ് മൈനസ് ടി ഇസ് മൈനസ് സൈൻ മൈനസ് മൈനസ് പ്ലസ് ആയി മാറി സൈൻ ടി ബൈ 2 പ്ലസ് സൈൻ ടി ബൈ 2 ആക്ച്വലി അത് സൈൻ ടി ആയി മാറും. ദാറ്റ്സ് ഈക്വൽ ടു സൈൻ ടി മൈനസ് ടി ഇൻറ്റു കോസ് ടി. ഇതാണ് ലാപ്ലേസ് ട്രാൻസ്ഫോം ഓഫ് ദിസ് എഫ് ഓഫ് എസ് ഇൻറ്റു ജി ഓഫ് എസ്. 1 by 2 into sin t minus t cos t. Okay.